Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that your CapCut is not exporting your video, and you're just getting the problem that repair CapCut export failed problem on the iPhone. So you just pop up like that. You just how to can fix that. Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of the iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. So many users facing issue because they connect with any VPN so without getting export the videos from the CapCut. Simply just go to the general section and as software update and as update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And also go to the language and region section and just make sure that you're selecting that region where you're currently right now. So I'm gonna print right now on Pakistan. So I'm gonna select the region of Pakistan, and after that, simply just go to the VPN and device management and just disconnect VPN from here. And also make sure that you just transfer reset iPhone and just tap on reset and just reset the network settings from here. That's it. The settings. You just make sure you getting an solution of that problem. So make sure that settings before going to go to the CapCut and exporting your problem and exporting the video. And after that, you just have to just remove the CapCut app from your iPhone and just again download from the App Store and sign in, and you're not getting any problem. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.